Hello, good day everyone. My name is NILAVHEINTHIRAN. I'm from RK05. Today I would like to present the IoT-based smart CHILLI fertigation for our integrated design project. This project is built mainly focused on the farmer's problems on chili fertigation, where chili is the main scope of this project. Farming is an important activity and it is a main food resources. Besides that, chili is one of the main contributors for the food chain and for the food resources. Due to this, farmers also facing high level stress, where they have facing recurring problems such as dying plant without proper monitoring and without proper watering and fertilizing. Therefore, implementation of our project, IoT-based smart chili fertigation project, will definitely compromising and overcome the farmers' problems. Our IoT-based smart chili fertigation is very affordable for the farmers and it's only one-time fix and it don't have any preventative maintenance. This IoT-based smart chili fertigation is consists of components works together to achieve the objective. So it stands from Arduino Mega, Node MCU, relay, soil moisturizer sensor, water level sensor, humidity and temperature sensor, and submersive water motor pump. Through the Blink app, we use to monitor the humidity and temperature of the surrounding area, and this data can obtained by the Blink app.
Hi, good day everyone. My name is LEONG. Now I'm going to talk about the problem statement of our project. One of the problem statement is the inappropriate mixture of water and fertilizer used by the farmers during the fertigation of the chili plant. The inappropriate mixture used for fertigation may cause damage to the chili plant. Next, the second problem statement is the inconsistent watering works. Sometimes, some of the farmers are unable to fertigate the plants on time and cause the chili plant might not be able to grow healthily. Thirdly, is the unnoticeable weather. The unnoticeable weather may cause damage to the chili plants such as fire or flooding in the surrounding chili plants.
Objective of this project is actually about to create an Arduino-based fertigation system for fertilizing and watering the chili farm. The second objective is to monitor the chili plant by using soil moisturizer sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, and viewed through the Blink app, where we can use the Blink app to monitor the temperature and humidity of the surrounding plant.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is ZAFIRAH binti OSMAN from RK86. I want to present our project scope. Our first project scope is, this whole project is to target focusing on the system of fertilization and irrigation of water for chili plant. That is the main point of why we intend the fertigation project. The second project scope is, this project use the AB type fertilizer with specific ratio between fertilizer A and B, which is must be balanced between the two of it that will mix together with water before automatically water the plant. Next, the third scope is, the smart fertigation system only involves sensors such as soil moisture sensor, temperature humidity sensor, and also water level sensor.
Next, this is a flowchart of the project design. The system started by determining the soil moisture sensor of the plant through the soil moisture sensor. If the soil moisture is low, the water pump that is placed in the fertilizer tank is turned on for 5 seconds, followed by water tanks for 5 seconds to apply the water and fertilizer to the mixture tank if water level in mixture tank are low. The temperature humidity sensor is used to read and collect the data on the temperature and humidity of the surrounding chili plants and transfer the data to the Blink app on the smartphone through the Wi-Fi module. With the Blink application, the farmers can obtain and monitor the real-time temperature and the humidity of the surrounding chili plant. Next, this is the schematic circuit design constructed by using the proteins. All the sensors and components used is connected as in the schematic design. The schematic design will turn into PCB design for routing of the circuit. The design is built accordingly to achieve the function stated in the flowchart. Next, here is the three-dimensional design of project by using Fusion 360. The design consists of 3 rectangular tanks to store water, fertilizer, and mixture of both, and a container to store the PCB boards and the batteries. The holes and slots are precisely created to slot in the components such as PCB boards, water pumps, cable wire, and the water pipes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day to everyone. My name is Muhammad Hani ALIFF bin HASBULLAH from RK86. So for my part, I want to explain about health and safety of IoT-based smart chili fertigation system. Basically, health and safety is the procedure to avoid accident or injury in the project. The first health and safety they apply in this project is by using water level sensor that can detect the level of water and fertilizer in mixed tank to avoid overwatering. The second health and safety is to avoid the plant disease by using soil moisture sensor. It can detect soil moisture and give a signal to the water pump to fill water and fertilizer to the chili plant. The last health and safety is by using the HT11, also known as temperature and humidity sensor, to avoid unpredictable weather. It will read the temperature and humidity surrounding the plant by using Blink application. Cultural and benefit to society. The first culture and benefit to society is the project will provide a lot of chili crops to the local community. This project also will increase the market's demand because it will help to rise the crop yield. Furthermore, this project also will help chili plants to grow healthier by improving the fertigation system using IoT technology. In addition, it can reduce the problems faced by the farmers to increase the production of chili. Last but not least, this IoT-based smart chili fertigation system will help community to get chilies at a cheaper price because chilies produced by the community are cheaper than chili imported from abroad. Sustainable Development Goal number 2, Zero Hunger. The theme of this goal is end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. So, it's suitable since the project is primarily concerned with agriculture plant yield generation. This project indeed mainly focuses on improving the burden of the farmers in multi-function precision chili fertigation farm to detect soil moisture, humidity and temperature value, water level of the chili plant by monitoring it using Blink application. Therefore, this project will alleviate the problem of food scarcity, thus preventing high and malnutrition, particularly among the world's poor.
Lastly, here's the prototype design of the project. The prototype is created accordingly based on the schematic design and the three-dimensional design. Three cylindrical containers are used as tanks and polystyrene box is used as outer box as it is lightweight. A rectangular container is used to store the PCB board and the batteries. Thank you.
So now this is water, this is fertilizer, this is mixture. So water level sensor is not detecting water yet. So once the water is detected, the system will stop. So as long the water level sensor is not detected, water will send to the mixture, fertilizer will send to the mixture. So this both function will start to work until the water level sensor reaches to a certain limit. Okay. So now the water level sensor is dry. It's not detecting yet. So it will run until this water level sensor is detected. So now I'm putting my water level sensor into the water to make it detect. Okay. Now the water level sensor is already detected. It already fully detected. So now for this case, our plant is still wet. So therefore, the system will stop because the plant is already wet. The water level sensor is already full. So now, for this case, we are taking the soil moisturizer sensor out. So we can see this mixture will send the water to the plant until this water level sensor until it's not detected. Okay, until it's not detected. Now if I put the soil moisturizer sensor inside, because of this water level sensor is still not fully detected, this fertilizer and mixture will start to work until it's detected. So now the water level sensor is detected, the plant is wet, so the system is totally off. Okay, so the system is off because water level sensor is already detected, soil moisturizer sensor is already detected. So both things are already wet. Okay, so this is our node MCU. This is our humidity and temperature sensor. This sensor will detect and send the signal to the cloud from the Blink cloud, and Blink cloud will send us the data to our phone. So now for currently our humidity sensor is 84 and 30 degrees Celsius.
As a conclusion, our IoT-based smart chili fertigation system is designed to help the farmer in order to automatically fertilize and also water the chili plant in easier ways using this system. Next, our first objective is achieved by minimizing the risk of wasting water and fertilizer on chili plant using soil moisture sensor to detect the level of soil moisture. This is one of our advantage for the project, which is as we went on visit to fertigation farm in Fedah Laka Selatan, the farmer will water the plant 8 times a day, and common methods mostly use a timer to set time for watering water and fertilizer. On sudden raining days, this will also cause water wastage as the farmer cannot predict the weather and not able to switch off the pump automatically. Next, the second objective is also achieved where the information of condition of plant based on temperature and humidity of the surrounding can just be monitored by using Blink application. So it will give advantage for a farmer and help them visually to monitor the plant just using their phone. Based on the demo project functionality, the project was successfully functioning and achieved both of our objectives. Lastly is the future work. Some of the future work that can be implemented is firstly by adding some AI technology which provides a camera that can detect and monitor the health of the plant. It will improve the yield of the plant when we can detect the allele of its health. Next is by adding system or machine that can spray the pesticide to chili plant accordingly using automatic system. Lastly, based on our 3D and prototype design, we suggest to improve by make a solid prototype design using 3D printing machine to make sure the product will secure more than just using the polystyrene and also a plastic container. With this improvement, we'll securely take a good care of the PCB circuit from splashing water or fertilizer when running the system. That's all from us. Thank you.